Welcome. In this video, I will show you different methods through which you can shut down your computer. I'm talking about Windows operating system. Okay, so here, let me go show you the first method. So go to the start icon, as you can see here. Click on the start icon, then go for the power button. Click on that power button, and then go select shutdown. That is the first method. Then the second method is this. On your keyboard, let me go activate my on-screen keyboard to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so to activate my on-screen keyboard, I will go for the control key, the Windows logo key, and the letter O. I will hold them down simultaneously. Okay, so the second method here to shut down your computer is by going for the Windows logo key and the letter X. When you do that, let's see what happens. This will come up. Okay, so here just go for the shutdown or sign out, then navigate to shutdown. That is the second method. The number 3 method is by going for the search bar here, as you can see. So go for the search bar and type shutdown. Okay, and then go for a space and the slash and the letter S. Okay, once that is done, hit enter on your keyboard and that will initiate a shutdown process automatically. Okay, I'm not going to do that because if I do that right now, I will not be able to record. So this attracts an instant shutdown. Within few seconds, your computer is good to go. Okay, so number 4 method is by doing a similar thing to the number 3. Okay, what you have to do in this case is to go for, on your keyboard, go for the Windows logo key and the letter R. Here you go. So under here, go type CMD. As you can see what I have here, type CMD. Go for that. Okay, so here is my command prompt. So what you have to do here is to go type shutdown space slash letter S and hit enter. I'm not gonna do that because this will attract an automatic shutdown. Okay, another method is by going for the Alt key and the F4. You will see on your keyboard, it doesn't show on this on-screen keyboard, but you will see it up here, F4. Okay, hold down the Alt key and the F4 key simultaneously, and that will bring out a dialog box whereby you are required to choose if you are to shut down your computer or to restart your computer or to sign out. Just go for the shutdown. Okay, but if the Alt key and the F4 does not work for you, then you have to use 3 keys. Hold down the FN key, the Alt key, and the F4 key. Hold them down simultaneously and that will initiate the dialog box. Okay, from there you will select what to do. I don't want to do that because if I do that, that will close my app, even my recording app, any open window. Okay, so another method is by going for the control key, the Alt key, and the delete key. So go look for delete key, this delete key on your keyboard. Hold down these 3 keys simultaneously, the control key, the Alt key, and the delete key. What will happen when you do that? Look at what will happen. It will give you this interface. You will see this interface. Okay, lock switch user, sign out, change your password, task manager. So what you have to do is to go for this power button here. You can see this power button right here. Click on the power button and that will come up with options. So from the options you will see shutdown, restart, and one other option. Okay, just go for the shutdown. So we have many ways through which we can switch off our computer. I'm talking about Windows operating system. Okay, but that is what we have for you in this video for now. So please kindly share the video, like the video if you are willing, and equally click on that red subscribe button, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thanks and God bless you.